Fast food fans are upset at Taco Bell after the chain eliminated several more popular items from its menu, including the famous Mexican pizza.
No way.
Despite its popularity, the Mexican pizza isn't environmentally friendly, accounting for over 7 million pounds of container trash annually. Taco Bell also added shredded chicken and pico de gallo to a growing list of items it is discontinuing. But fans, you still have some time to enjoy your favorites because the menu changes won't take effect until November.
Oh, hey. Glad that you're watching the video. We have a lot to do and not a lot of time to do it in. So let's go over here to the table, sit down, and discuss. Okay, we have so much to talk about. It's Labor Day weekend, and last night I was snooping around on the internet and some of the food blogs started talking about this. Taco Bell is retiring, eliminating, getting rid of the iconic, the classic, the ultra popular Mexican pizza. And after the food blogs started talking about it, it started making its way to Twitter, this information. And people were highly upset if as 2020 hasn't given us enough. So people were very upset. Look at this tweet. 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 And I could go on and on and on and on and on. You could see that people are like, what is going on? What are you doing to us, Taco Bell? Look at this. ABC7 Los Angeles, a huge news outlet. Boom! So what are we gonna do? I'm sitting here thinking about it. What are we going to do? We've had epic YouTube collaborations in the past. We've pulled together on social media. And this is the plan. This is the call to action. A Mexican pizza challenge. And it's not just a challenge, it's a tribute. Now, if you guys don't know what a Mexican pizza is, I'm gonna put a couple pictures up on the screen right now. The Mexican pizza is a specialty item available only at Taco Bell. 2 crispy pizza shells, which are basically kind of like tostada-ish type things, filled with seasoned ground beef, the beans, then topped with pizza sauce, which is hot sauce, and then a blend of 3 real cheeses, cheddar, pepper jack, and mozzarella. Then they melt it all to perfection. You put some ripe tomatoes on the top, and at one point it even included green onions on the top, which I don't think it comes with now. Okay, so what can we do? Couple different things. Number 1, we need to share this video. We need to raise awareness that Taco Bell is getting rid of the Mexican pizza and it will no longer be on the menu as of November 5th, 2020. So we need to get the word out. We need to share this video. Number 2, we've come together before as YouTubers, as TikTokers, as Instagrammers, as Facebookers on Saturday, September 12th. Saturday, September 12th. No matter where you are in the world, no matter where you are in the United States, drop a video with your best rendition, your tribute, your version, whether, like Babe says, it's zhuzhed up a little bit, of a Mexican pizza. Drop a video of you making a homemade Mexican pizza, Taco Bell style. Number 3, when you drop your video on Saturday, September 12th, you're gonna use the hashtag SaveThePizza. We are gonna do it. We're gonna tweet. We're gonna YouTube it. We're gonna put it in our YouTube titles. We're gonna put it in our TikTok titles and our Facebook and everything. Hashtag SaveThePizza. And hopefully we can gain enough traction that Taco Bell will see we don't need to take away the Mexican pizza. The Mexican pizza is delicious. It's iconic. It's a brand staple of Taco Bell. 2020 has given us enough. My goodness. Keep the Mexican pizza. Give the people what they want. It was trending on Twitter, for goodness sakes. All right, so you know the battle plan. You know the 3 steps. 1, you're gonna share this video. 2, you're gonna make your own Mexican pizza video. 3, you're gonna drop it on September 12th using the hashtag SaveThePizza. So right now, I'm gonna head over to my local Taco Bell. I'll take you guys along with me. I'm gonna order a Mexican pizza because there's only so much time that we have left before we can ever do this again. I'm gonna order a Mexican pizza. I'm gonna show you how it comes straight out of the drive-thru, and I think we can make a difference. I think that if we start now, Labor Day weekend, by September 12th, we'll drop our videos and we'll really send a message. That'll give the Taco Bell execs enough time before November 5th to keep it on the menu. All right, let's head on over to Taco Bell. Can I get a Mexican pizza?
Okay.
And then can I get a large plain iced tea?
Okay.
And that's it.
Any hot sauce?
Mild sauce, please.
The total will be $11.56. Looking forward.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got the Mexican pizza. Okay, great success. The Mexican pizza, an all-time iconic classic. Look at this thing. Only until November 5th, boys and girls. Unless we save the day. Hashtag save the pizza. Let me give you a little tour. Let me give you a little tour of this. Okay, you got the 2 tostadas. You got the beans. You got the beef. You got the cheese. You got the sauce. This is what we're going to be recreating. However you guys want to do it, dropping that video on September 12th, send a message. Save the pizza. Now, there isn't any shame eating your Mexican pizza with a fork because we're in a Prius and we don't want to mess it up. But, I mean, my goodness, you just want that. You guys can make this. We're going to send a message. So many people are going to be making Mexican pizzas. The sauce, the beans, the cheese. It's going to be epic. How could they do this to us in 2020 on Labor Day weekend? Wow. Only going to be on the menu until November 5th. But imagine this. Hashtag save the pizza goes viral. People are dropping all kinds of homemade Mexican pizzas. Gets picked up by the media, gets picked up by the food vlogs and stuff like that. I don't know. Taco Bell might have to reconsider. They're streamlining their menu. They're getting rid of like 5 or 6 different things. Shredded chicken, burrito or something like that. But nothing as iconic and classic as the Mexican pizza. So that's our mission, boys and girls. You know the mission? We gotta do it. Drop your video using the hashtag SaveThePizza. I look forward to seeing everybody's videos on September 12th. Remember to share this video because we got our work cut out for us. Oh, and that little sour cream drizzled on the top. That's it. I'm out. Time to go to work.